Welcome back, all you beautiful people. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some gaming tech. Always trying to save you money, and it's happening right now.
I'm gonna open it. Put the gun down.
I saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box?
It was $4 plus $3 for shipping, so $7 total. It comes in black and white, depending on which one you prefer. For your tablet, TV, Xbox, your TV box, the Bluetooth enabled device must be Bluetooth 3.0 or above. The size is about 118 by 33 by 42 millimeters.
Wow.
The wireless protocol is Bluetooth 3.0. It does support Android and iOS, but Apple does have some issues.
What the is this? Whose ass didn't I kiss?
Not everything is supported. Batteries, it takes two 1.5 volt AAA batteries, which are not included. Continuous game could be 40 to 120 hours depending. So pretty good actually, not bad. Okay, let's open her up. And this is from Geek.com.
My name is George W. Bush, and I approve this mess.
Inside the box,
Tacos rule.
we have instructions. There we go, Bluetooth remote controller. Tells you about the self-timer mode, video modes, music modes. And that's what it looks like. Very nice. Get your buttons back here. I'll do a sound test.
Stop it. Get some help.
Over on the front, you've got your different control buttons here. It fits really good in my hand. I'm an adult male, so it fits really nice and really comfortable in a grown man's hand. So that gives you an idea. I'm a pretty big guy. As you can see, my hands are actually pretty big. And it fits. It's comfortable. It's nice. Okay, on the remote itself, I'll get it close to where you can see it.
The power of Christ compels you.
It gives you a breakdown right here, the key description. Your 360-degree rocker, indicator light, the light flashes whenever the phone's switched to Bluetooth device, your function key for game mode, function key for mouse self-timer mode, your music video mode for function key, VR self-timer video mode. Yeah, pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory.
I'll use small words that you'll be sure to understand.
Really nice product, definitely worth the money. $7 all day, every day, black or white, you choose.
Hey, baby.
Battery compartment opens right here. There we go. There's your two AAAs, and you're ready to rock. Okay, here's what it looks like once you put the AAAs in. Light comes on. And now you're ready to use the remote. Yeah, if you're starting to get into VR for yourself, or for someone else for a present, definitely not bad at all. $7 total price for the remote. You can't beat it. If the video is helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll have more great stuff coming. Make sure to share with your friends. Help them save money. Thanks again for tuning in. Leave me some comments down below. What do you think of this? Would you buy it? We'll see you soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too, so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.